Platelets, structure, composition, properties and functions. Platelets, also called thrombocytes, are small, disc-shaped cell fragments in the blood, crucial for clot formation and maintaining vascular integrity. Platelet structure, size, 2 to 4 micrometers in diameter, making them smaller than red and white blood cells. Shape, biconvex or discoid when inactive, become irregular and form pseudopodia upon activation. Cell origin, derived from megakaryocytes in the bone marrow through cytoplasmic fragmentation. Membrane, contains glycoproteins, e.g., glycoprotein 2b, 3a, which are receptors for adhesion and aggregation. Phospholipid bilayer is crucial for clotting cascade activation. Covered with a negatively charged glycocalyx that aids interaction with clotting factors. Platelets, structure, composition. Platelet granules, alpha granules, contain clotting factors, e.g., fibrinogen, von Willebrand factor, platelet-derived growth factor, and adhesion molecules. Dense granules, store ADP, ATP, calcium ions, and serotonin, essential for platelet activation and aggregation. Lysosomal granules, contain enzymes for breaking down damaged tissue. Composition, contractile proteins, like actin, myosin and thrombostinin for shape change and contraction during clot retraction. Platelet granules, store bioactive molecules for clotting and healing. Surface receptors, bind von Willebrand factor, fibrinogen, and collagen. Cytoplasm, lacks a nucleus but has mitochondria for energy production. Enzymes, which play a role in prostaglandin and thromboxane synthesis for vasoconstriction. Properties of platelets are 1. Adhesiveness. Platelets adhere to damaged endothelium via von Willebrand factor and glycoprotein receptors. 2. Aggregation. Bind to each other through fibrinogen bridges, forming a platelet plug. 3. Contractility. Use actomyosin to retract clots, consolidating them. 4. Secretion. Release granule contents to recruit more platelets and enhance clotting. 5. Short lifespan. Survive 7 to 10 days in circulation before being removed by the spleen and liver. Functions. 1. Hemostasis. Platelets form the primary platelet plug at the site of vascular injury. Support the coagulation cascade by providing a phospholipid surface for thrombin generation. Release factors that stabilize the fibrin clot. 2. Vascular repair. Release growth factors, example, platelet-derived growth factor, that promote endothelial repair and tissue regeneration. 3. Immune role. Interact with leukocytes and release cytokines, contributing to inflammatory responses. 4. Angiogenesis. Secrete vascular endothelial growth factor, VEGF, aiding new blood vessel formation. 5. Prevention of excessive bleeding. To summarize, platelets are small, nucleus-free fragments essential for blood clotting. Structure, disc-shaped, with a glycoprotein membrane and granules storing clotting factors. Composition, contain actin, myosin, fibrinogen, von Willebrand factor, and calcium. Properties, adhere to damaged vessels, aggregate to form clots, and secrete granule contents. Functions, enable hemostasis, support vascular repair, and aid in immune response and tissue healing. Thank you.